What's up, guys, and welcome to the official Brunswick Road level crossing tour. Now, this is a 2-gate, 4-signal level crossing on the Upfield line that sees trains to Upfield. Now, let's start the tour. So, for this signal over here, we've got an unmarked base, black with right riding stop on the red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, 2 track sign, crossback, another 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, crossback, top cap. And for the gated mast over here, we've got an unmarked base, Western Cullen Hayes gate mechanism, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, wishbone gate, 3 aircraft gate lights, and a general signals e-bell. Now let's get the first activation. And for this signal over here, we've got an unmarked base, black with right writing stop on the red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, 2 track sign, crossback, another 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, crossback, pole cap. And for the last gated mast over here, we've got an unmarked base, Western Cullen Hayes gate mechanism, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, wishbone gate, 3 aircraft gate lights, and a general signals e-bell. Now let's get the last activation.